Welcome back to Simply Forex, guys, from the sunny Seychelles.
Hi guys, and welcome back to Simply Forex, the channel dedicated to you, the trader. We want you to be successful in the markets. So guys, I'm going to give you some gold every day. I'm going to let you know which currency pairs I'm looking to trade and which direction. And I'm also going to let you know which news that you must be aware of. If you like these vids, then please subscribe to the channel and like and share. So let's take a look at the chart and what I'm potentially going to trade today.
So guys, this is my office for the next couple of weeks. Yeah, I'm in the Seychelles for 2 weeks. And that's what trading can enable you to do, guys. You can trade from anywhere in the world you like, as long as you've got a laptop and some Wi-Fi. And don't worry guys, I'm going to send you the daily morning analysis every morning as promised. So stay tuned. Good morning guys, it is the 30th of November and it is a Tuesday. I hope you had a great trading day yesterday. My regular viewers will know that we had a great trade on the New Zealand dollar against the Swiss franc, so I hope you took that yesterday. But today we are looking at 4 pairs today. First of all, this is the Aussie dollar against the Japanese yen. All right, guys, so 2 days ago, you can see this large bearish candle form. We had another bearish candle, although it was a doji, but I still think this has room to the downside. So this target of 80.20. All right, guys, so shorting this market, let's look at the H1 for execution. Okay, so we've got 2 grey zones that I like to trade from. So first of all, we want to see a bearish candlestick pattern form here, and we will take price back down to this low. That will be our first target, and then our second target will be our daily blue line that I just showed you. If that doesn't happen, guys, I want price to retrace to this grey zone. All right, and then we're looking for a bearish candlestick pattern to take price back down to this low, and we can leave some on the trade for our daily target. Okay, so Aussie dollar Japanese yen short. Also guys, we're looking at the US dollar Japanese yen. Okay, this is the day chart, similar scenario. They're obviously very correlated, these pairs. So large bearish candle 2 days ago. We still had a bearish candle yesterday. I still think we can take price back down to this 112.86 blue line. All right, so shorting this market. H1 for execution. Okay, so yeah, again, a couple of grey zones that we're looking at. So first of all, yeah, I want to see a bearish candlestick pattern form here and then take price back down to this low as our first target. Our second target will be the blue line. If that doesn't happen, then I'm looking for a price reaction here in the form of a bearish candle, take price back down to this low or our daily blue line. Very important to remember, guys, if we don't get a bearish candlestick pattern form in these grey zones, then just ignore the trade. We're not interested. Okay, and also guys, if you're new to the channel and you would like this information, this daily market analysis every morning, if you subscribe to the channel and set up the alert button, you will get alerts for the daily morning analysis every morning. All right guys, so subscribe and press the alert button. All right guys, so yeah, US dollar Japanese yen short. Third trade, this is the New Zealand dollar against Swiss franc. We took a nice trade off this yesterday, but I still think we can we have some room to the downside, down to our blue line of 62.52. All right, okay, so let's look at H1 for execution. Yeah, first of all guys, 2 grey zones. So first of all, we have this grey zone here. We want price to react in the form of a candlestick pattern, and then we take price back down to this low as our first target. We can leave some money on the trade and take it down to the blue line, our daily target. Again, if that doesn't happen, price could retrace to this grey zone. Okay, and then we want similar scenario, bearish candlestick pattern and take price back down to this low. This will give you a very good risk to reward. Okay, guys, so yeah, New Zealand against the Swiss franc. We are still shorting this market. And the fourth one I'm looking at today is the Aussie dollar against the Swiss franc. Okay, so again, this will be highly correlated to the New Zealand dollar Swiss franc. So just trade the best setup. All right, similar scenario. This is the day chart. 2 days ago, very bearish candle. Still a bearish candle, but a doji yesterday. But I still think we can take price back down to 6,560. All right, so H1 execution. Okay, so 2 grey zones again. First grey zone, a bearish candlestick pattern needs to form in this grey zone, and we can take price back down to the blue line. Okay, if this doesn't happen, then we're looking for a bearish candlestick pattern to form in the next grey zone, and again we'll take price back down to this blue line. All right, guys, so we've got the 4 trades today. They are heavily correlated, so try and just trade the best setup possible. All right, guys, let's take a look at the news. All right, so a lot of news today. So overnight at 1 o'clock, these are all GMT. At 1 o'clock GMT, we had some Chinese data, manufacturing. This was better than expected. So this could help the Australian dollar, give it some strength, because China and Australia have tight trading relations. All right, so no news until 8:55 GMT. We have unemployment data coming out of Germany. This will impact the euro. This is important. Also, euro news at 10 a.m. We have CPI. This is about inflation, and this is a 3-star rating at 10 o'clock. And then later on in the afternoon, we have 1:30. We have the gross domestic product from Canada. This is a 3-star rating. And then at 3 o'clock, we've got 2 pieces of important news coming out of the States. We've got consumer confidence, and we've also got Fed Chair Powell. He's testifying again. So when he speaks, he can really move the US dollar. All right, guys, and then other than that, nothing else for the rest of the day. Guys, if you've enjoyed the daily morning analysis, if I could ask you to subscribe to the channel and like and share, that would be greatly appreciated. And I hope you have a wonderful trading day, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Adios, amigos.